Hey guys, I'm super excited. Today we are going to review the tiny loaded tacos from Jack in the Box. But before we do this video, I want to give a shout out to Danielle. Now Danielle is a subscriber on my channel and it's his birthday today. His sister Hannah reached out to me on Instagram and she wanted me to give him a shout out because it's his birthday today, guys. And she said she wouldn't know what to do without him and he's the best and she just really adores her brother. So Danielle, happy birthday. Now for the food review. Alright guys, I've seen a lot of people do these loaded tiny tacos. I'm eager to try them out. $4. It comes with this sauce. I go, where's my sauce? No, I didn't say that. But I'm like, doesn't it come with, no, I go, where's the sauce for the tacos? Because I saw some people, food reviewers, they got this creamy avocado lime sauce. I'm going to try different sauces just to try it out. I'm going to try this taco sauce, this Jack in the Box taco sauce. And just for the fun of it, some sour cream. Just going to just experiment, guys, and try it out. First we'll try it plain. I'm super excited. I got a new shirt. This is a St. Patrick's Day shirt I'm going to wear on my live video. Oh, look at this. This looks really good. It has cheese. Like I have some sauce, lettuce. Not a lot of lettuce, but if you can see that. Not a lot of lettuce. Well, let's try it out. Okay, here is the one with this. It looks really cheesy. Let's try this cheesy one right here. It has cheese on it. It has cheese sauce. It has like salsa or taco sauce. Try it out. That is good. I wish they had more lettuce though. It barely has lettuce, but I did see them how they make it. What they did is they fry the tortilla tacos. After they fry the tacos, they put like the toppings on top. And it was fresh. It wasn't like sitting there, so that's good. It's really good. I'm reading that this is a chicken mixture, not a meat mixture. Not like taco meat. Not beef. Try one more plain. They're good though. Well, this one doesn't have any sauce. Maybe I'll add some sauce to that one. Try this Jack in the Box hot sauce. So I've been hearing good things about the Jack in the Box sauce, so let's try it out. Yeah. This has a lot of stuff right here. I forgot to do a thumbnail, but here we go. That sauce isn't really that spicy. Let's try with some creamy avocado lime sauce. Now this is supposed to be for the tacos. And if you don't get it, like the girl didn't give me it to me, just ask for it. Because she knew exactly what I was talking about when I said, where are the taco? So when I asked her, where are the sauce for the tacos? That's good too. That's good. But I think I prefer like the hot sauce for, I don't know why. Well, let's try with sour cream just for to be different or something. See how sour cream tastes. That's good. Yeah. I think I like sour cream better than this avocado. I don't know why. I'm not really caring for that for some reason. After this video, I'm going to be doing a live video, but so I got some other food in here, but I got some buttermilk ranch dressing. I'm gonna try a little bit of that. I'm trying a lot of sauces. I'm gonna see which one. I think for me, just like extra taco sauce is really good, but just for the fun of it, this is really cheesy. Look at that. I'd rather just do like a one that doesn't have so much stuff on it right now. All right, let's try this ranch. This is the best ranch ever. That was good. Really good. These are really good. I'm gonna try one more of this sauce. I want to make sure I made up my mind about this sauce. Yeah, I don't really care for it. I don't know why. This is my favorite out of everything. Well, I don't know about the ranch, but buttermilk might be my second favorite. The buttermilk is so good though. So when I went to Jack in the Box, I saw a sign, 25 cents for extra sauce. I thought, okay, well, I need my buttermilk ranch. If she's definitely giving me my buttermilk ranch, I'm gonna like pay a quarter. I don't care. So I also asked sauce for the tacos, and I asked for buttermilk ranch. So she gave me two, because I did also get chicken strips with my order today. Oh, so good. I think there's 3 left in here. I don't know if you can see that cheese sauce. Cheese sauce is really good though. The bottom part is like a lot of cheese sauce. All right, guys, I tried a lot of different sauces. I would say my ultimate favorite sauce, if you want to add extra sauce, if you love saucy, if you love putting sauce on your foods or tacos, I don't think it really it might need a little bit of sauce, but this is a really good. They had it on the counter, so I took a bunch. And my second favorite would be this buttermilk ranch dressing. Sour cream, my third, and this is my, it's so weird, this is my 4th least favorite, even though they recommend this. I don't know why, it's not, doesn't really taste very good. It tastes really processed. I don't know. Guys, this is really good. I just wish they added extra lettuce. So because they didn't add extra lettuce, I mean, I wish they added more lettuce. I mean, like, yeah, there's no lettuce. Yeah, I'm gonna give it 4 to 5. 4 to 5. It's really good. A little extra lettuce, it would be perfect. Perfect. Get it, guys. It's only $4. Also, a guy before me get this. These are really popular. Get them while they last. I think you'd really like it. Great nighttime snack, guys. Great evening snack. Great, like, you know, after you're drunk or, you know, want to party, or great after a party snack. You know, like if you're drunk or something, you want something to eat. This is perfect, guys. It's perfect. And the green matches my green shirt. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing my live video right now, but all right, guys, thanks for watching. If you have these, what do you think? Do you like them? Anything you would change with them? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace. Oh, that was fun.